Hello, so in this video I want to show you how to create a LinkedIn business page. So the first thing you want to do is go to this section up here for business and click on that one and go down to the section create a company page and click on the plus. And here you have three options you can take: educational institution, showcase page or company. And in this example I want the company. So I click on this box and then I need to enter some details. So first the name of the company, what LinkedIn address I want it to be, if I have a website, which industry I'm in, organization size, organization type, and I can get in a logo, I can write a tagline, and then I need to verify that I'm an authorized representative of the business. And then when I fill in this box, I can now create the page. So I just gone in and fill in all the details, and as you can see to the right, there's a page preview, and there you can see I have the name of the company, a little tagline, what I do, the niche I work in, and a logo. And when I just fill in the box and then I create the page, it will look like this.